Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the MAC address check on the IMEI info page using the IMEI number of your REALME C63. Okay, so first actually we need to find what is our MAC address of our device, so we need to open up our settings. Now scroll down into the bottom until you find the About Phone. Now again scroll down, click on the status, and in here we have the device Wi-Fi MAC address. You can see it right in here, and we are going to have to type it on the IMEI info page. But let me now show you how to do it. Okay, so now we are on the page. Right in here in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you step by step how to do it, and if you want you can look for it. Now click this blue button, check IMEI. We have our REALME C63. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. They are right in here, and now select MAC address check. Scroll down. Also, if you click on right in here, you can see the instruction in here, also how to do it on the Android, iPhone, the Windows and Mac OS, and also the Ubuntu. Alright, but in here we need to type the MAC address of our device and click on this blue button, check MAC address, and here we have our results for our MAC address. So we have the company name, the company address, the country flag, the OUI, is it private, border left and right, assignment block size, the date of creation and the date of the update. And below we can find 10 random MAC addresses. We can copy each one of them or copy all of them when we click on this white button. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.